Hi, and welcome to another home tour. This is Bespoke Architects Marlin Renovation. We were approached in 2023 by these lovely clients. They had built this home in 2011, and after over a decade in the home, they decided that they would like to change the kitchen and their ensuite and create a new sort of all-purpose alfresco area to the rear of their property. So one of the smaller renovations that we've done. So we, working with the client's color palette and material choices, we redid these spaces. This is the master ensuite. We presented two options to the clients for the warm and the cooler option. This is obviously the cooler option that they went with, where we really sort of celebrated their love of pattern and colour and embraced that. We converted what was a really small space into a functional space. So we didn't increase the floor area of the ensuite, we just changed the layout to make it more user-friendly. And by introducing a palette that was exciting but similar in tone, it did make the space feel a lot bigger, and we know the clients are particularly happy with this space. And then the last set of images on this video is of the new alfresco space. So this was a new structure. It's connected to the house underneath the existing eaves, and it has pull down blinds that allow light to get through but block out the weather. In this instance, we went with a milky taupe over a traditional black screen, which I think really lends itself to the color palette. Again, our clients really embraced color, so we went with these beautiful Merlot colored tiles with a matching grout. This is the gloss wood ceiling. The space has outdoor heating in it. It's got some downlights. We went with a skillion shaped roof to play into the sloping site. This is a detail of the gloss wood join on that slope. And you can see out into the backyard the severity of the slope on this project. The introduction of the breeze blocks works really well to allow airflow through the outdoor alfresco kitchen space. And because we're coastal in this one, we did go with copper light fittings so that they patina with age rather than rust, which the stainless steel light fittings can do. As you can see here, it has got a full working outside kitchen. And then this is the new structure that we designed to complement the existing and create that outdoor space that the clients were after. And in this instance, we did keep the footprint within the existing retaining walls. So it's an amazing space. We loved the colour. We enjoyed the project. I hope you liked it.